Getting started with WorldPay REST API is a straightforward process that enables you to integrate payment processing into your application. First, you need to create a WorldPay account and obtain your client key and client secret, which are used for authentication. To authenticate, you will use the client key and client secret to obtain an access token, which is then used to authorize subsequent requests to the WorldPay REST API. You can do this by sending a POST request to the WorldPay authentication endpoint with your client key and client secret in the request body. Once you have obtained an access token, you can start making requests to the WorldPay REST API. The API supports various payment methods, including credit and debit cards, PayPal, and other alternative payment methods. To process a payment, you will need to send a POST request to the payments endpoint with the payment details, including the amount, currency, and payment method. It is also important to handle errors and exceptions properly. The WorldPay REST API returns error codes and messages to help you diagnose and resolve issues. You should implement error handling mechanisms in your application to handle potential errors and provide a seamless user experience. In terms of best practices, it is recommended to use HTTPS for all requests to the WorldPay REST API to ensure the security and integrity of sensitive payment information. You should also validate user input and ensure that your application complies with relevant payment industry standards, such as PCI DSS. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively integrate the WorldPay REST API into your application and provide a secure and reliable payment processing experience for your users. The WorldPay REST API documentation provides detailed information and code examples to help you get started and troubleshoot common issues.